Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and in this video we're going to show you how to change the Type GN bag on your Miele vacuum. For the demonstration here we've got the C3 Elise, and as you can see this pack of bags is going to come with 4 bags and 2 types of filters. So the bags are going to look like this. You'll see this blue ring on them, and then you get 2 filters, one that you're going to have to cut to size and the other that you may potentially have to cut into size based on the type of vacuum you're putting it into. So we'll go through the steps here quickly for you so you can see how to change your bag. You'll know when it's time to change your vacuum bag because you have a little indicator on here that's going to turn orange or red in some cases, and that's going to tell you that your vacuum bag is full and ready to be changed. So what you want to do from there is, I find it easiest to remove the hose first. So we're taking that out, and then you're going to lower the door, and there'll be a tab up here by the handle that you pull forward on, and that'll allow you to lower the door. So here's your bag. And now it's a really simple process. All you're gonna do is pull on this ring until it comes out. So that'll slide out, and this is your full bag. So you put that away and it does seal automatically. And now we're gonna take the new bag and we're gonna see some arrows here that are pointing in a direction facing up. And then you also have arrows on the blue piece on the inside of the vacuum that are pointing the same direction. So you're gonna make sure those arrows are all pointing the same way. And then you slide it in until you hear it snap into place. And now it's locked in there. And you're gonna push the bag back down so that it sits inside. Now, as far as filters go, you have the one that comes in the box that's sort of a thinner material. So it'd be this one here. You're gonna cut this to fit the size of this vacuum, and it'll say the numbers on that filter, and then that's going to slide into place underneath the bag here. And then the other filter, this particular model actually comes with a HEPA filter built in. But the other filter would generally go in this spot here. So you're gonna take the kind of the thicker material, and that one's going to go into this particular spot, just not on this particular vacuum. And that's really all there is to it. Once you have the bag back in place, you'll be able to close everything back up. That just tucks in there. Close the top up and that'll snap into place. And then you're gonna reattach your hose and you're ready to start vacuuming again. So it's a very simple process. So that's how you change your Miele Type GN bag and filter. We appreciate you watching. If you need to pick any of these bags up, we do carry them here at Apt, so make sure you check those out. If you have any questions, you can always contact us by email, phone, or chat with one of our experts online or here at the store. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.